I got this disgusting carburetor needs work. On this air horn. You suppose they put those on at 55? Yeah, I don't think so. Hey guys, Scary Gary here. I got something I got to bring to your attention. So I'm out here working on some customers of mine. They got some amazing cars that I'm privileged to work on. I keep running into this issue, and it's really starting to annoy me, and just keep an eye out for this. What we're working on here is this 55 Studebaker. There's a 48 Rolls Wraith right there. This is the car that has the concern. We've got a carburetor issue, and I don't know how many times I get into these cars and take a look, and you'll find that these customers pay a lot of money, real nice car. They get it to their place, they need to work on it. Kind of like me gets into it and finds out there's all kinds of stuff in here that's not factory. These are auction cars that are showing up. People are just slamming stuff together, shipping it out the door, thinking it's, original, and they're far from. So much to the point that people are doing things like this, where I got this disgusting carburetor needs work. On this air horn. You suppose they put those on at 55? Yeah, I don't think so. So I get it, parts are hard to come by. At least you can do is make it appear to be factory. Do some work, take those plates off, and if anything, state it. Let the customer who's acquiring the car know it's not authentic. So that way you can sleep well at night. Maybe you can anyways, but this is happening more and more, and I'm finding more and more of this stuff every day. And like I said, these people are spending tons of money on these things, thinking they're getting original equipment, and I gotta go in there and tell them, no, this is far from it. It works, it runs, it's fun, it's nice to enjoy, but it's not original. So, I don't know, it just kind of annoys me. Thought I'd bring that up. Keep an eye out for that, especially if you're out looking to buy a car or something. Do your due diligence and check things out. Make sure it's original if it's supposed to be original. If it's not, that's fine. Not everything should be original. But if it's sold to you as original, stated to you it's original, and it's not, that's a problem. Especially a collector's car, a museum car. Anyway, that's my beef so far. And then let me know what you think. You can share with me down in the comments. Hopefully it's interesting enough. You got something to say or you want to share with me. Not on your part, but on my part. Interesting enough. So I'm going to do a little carburetor work on this thing, and hopefully get you some footage when I get her all put back together and running. It's a neat car, but not a factory carburetor. Just putting the final touches in on this. And there it is, installed.